In this video, we're going to cover how to build a basic coupon in Thrive Control Center, otherwise known as TCC. This will include simple coupons like $1 off any item or 20% off your entire order. We'll also cover item-specific coupons, such as $2 off a large pizza. When you're done, watch the advanced coupon video to learn more about complicated coupon scenarios. To get started, first make sure you are working on the proper menu and in the proper context. If you are adding a coupon that all of your locations will share, make sure that you're working at the company level, which you can verify right here. If you want to add a coupon for just one location, select that location here. To get started, we've clicked on the Offers section, and we'll add an offer. Let's start out with a simple $5 off your order. Type the offer name and tab to default the other fields. The Campaigns field is an optional way for you to categorize offers for reporting purposes. Indicate whether this offer is available for both POS and online, and an offer type. This is also for reporting purposes. You may want to type a description about your offer. Now, let's see how this offer can be applied. We have several options here. It can be automatic if certain requirements are met, require use of a coupon code, create a menu button on your POS system, show in the Smart Coupons list in your POS coupon, show on your POS discount screen, which can have added security to access, and create an online coupon button. So activate any of the options that you wish to use here. Now, let's move on to offer validity. On this screen, we can choose when the offer is valid. We can set a particular date range. We can limit it to certain order types. We can limit it to customer types. We can limit it by day of the week or by time of day. We can require a minimum purchase for the offer to apply. And finally, we can specify the maximum number of times this offer can apply per order. Now we go on to required items. This offer can apply to any order without any required items, so we can skip this section. Now, we'll talk about the offer value. As I mentioned, this is a $5 off your order type offer, which means it applies to the entire order. It's a $1 off type order, so we keep it on $1 off, and we'll just enter the amount. The offer interactions section and the advanced settings will be covered in a future video. Just hit Create to create your offer. Now, when we click on the Offers link, we can see that we have our offer created. Now we're going to cover another type of offer, which is a manager's discount. I'm going to set this to be a discount type of offer, and it gives us a little more flexibility. We're not going to show this in the Smart Coupons or as a menu button, but we are going to show it on the discount screen list because that requires a little more security to access. For my offer value, I'm going to select percentage, and I'm going to set a standard percent of 20%. Now for this offer, I'm going to allow the cashier to change the amount. I'm going to give my managers up to a 70% discount ability with this offer. If I'd like, I can also limit the total offer value. So for example, maybe I don't want my managers to ever give away more than $100 worth of food. So now we've set this to be 20% off your entire order, but at the manager's discretion and with proper security, they can increase that to 70% at a maximum, as long as they don't exceed $100 total. Let's go ahead and save this offer. Now let's create an offer that applies to a specific item. we'll call this 10% off any item. This offer I'm going to apply with a coupon code and show on the discount list. We'll allow this to be valid at any time, and it doesn't require any particular items. However, we want to say that this applies to any specific item. We're going to choose a percentage. So instead of applying 10% off of the order, this will apply 10% off of a selected item on the ticket. I have the same options that I had with the order level discounts of whether we want to allow the cashier to change the amount and limit the total offer value. I can also exclude certain items from this. So perhaps I do not want this to apply to alcohol items, for instance. To illustrate this, we'll just select that desserts are not applicable. Alright, let's go ahead and save this offer. We're going to create one more type of offer, and this is for a large pizza for $3 off. This will be a coupon, and we can apply it in Smart Coupons with a menu button and with a coupon code. Alright, I'm going to set this to be valid anytime, but we are going to have some required items. So the first thing we do is press Add Items Group, and the first item that we require is a pizza, and we want to limit it to a large size. We require one pizza, and if we'd like to limit it to the crusts, we can, but we don't have to. In this case, we could exclude a crust by adding the others. If we'd like to require a certain topping count, we can do that. So if I want to say it has to be at least a 2-topping pizza, and then we can hit done. Now you can see that we require one large pizza with at least 2 toppings, deep dish or regular thin crust pizza, for this to be valid. Let's move on to the value. So we're going to set that this value applies to any individual item group, which means it's going to actually apply to the large pizza, and we're going to have the value be $3 off. Since this is a pretty simple coupon, I don't need to worry about any of the other settings here or any of the advanced settings. We'll just hit create. So now you know how to create some basic coupons in Thrive. Thanks for watching, and check out our advanced coupon settings video to learn more.